Today I'm gonna show you how to create this awesome camera icon on PowerPoint. Here I'm using PowerPoint 2016, but it doesn't matter if you are using PowerPoint 2013 cause both are more or less same. So let's start creating. Now go to layout and make it blank. Go to design, click format background and change the color from here. Then go to insert, click on shapes and pick this double corner rectangle shape and drag it over here like this. Then click on this yellow dot and increase the curve little bit. Then go to shape fill and change the color. Go to shape outline and click no outline. Again pick this rectangle shape and drag it over here. Then go to shape fill and change the color again. Go to shape outline, make no outline. Then just make it fit. Now just press Ctrl D to duplicate this two and place it over here. Then go to merge shape and make it union. Then take this rectangle shape and drag it over here in the middle. Now select this two, click merge shape and click on intersect to cut this thin into half part. Now place it over here and go to shape fill, change the color. Then right click and click on format shape. From here, increase the transparency rate. Now go to shape and pick this circle and make it bigger like this. Then place it over here and send it to back. Now go to format, click shape fill and change the color. And again shape outline, make no outline. Then select all those things and place it over here. I'm just making it in center. Then again place it to here. Then pick this circle again and make a small circle like this. Then just go to format, click on shape fill and change the color. Shape outline and make no outline. Then just Ctrl D duplicate. Then again change the color of this, place it over here. Now pressing Ctrl Shift, make it smaller. Now just Ctrl D to duplicate all those things. Go to merge shape, make it union. And then pick this rectangle shape and place it in the middle of this circle. Now just select this two, go to merge shape and make intersect. Then place it over here again and increase the transparency rate. Now select all those things and group them together by pressing Ctrl G and place it over here. Now just pressing Ctrl Shift, increase the size. Now select all those things and make it in center. Now just pick this rectangle shape and make it a small rectangle over here. And go to format, click shape fill and change the color. Then go to shape outline and make no outline. Now just press Ctrl D to duplicate and place it over here and rotate this. Now go to shape fill and change the color. Now make it a little bit smaller and Group them together by pressing Ctrl G and make it in center by pressing Align Center.
And our camera icon is ready. To get more awesome PowerPoint tutorials, make sure you like and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.